Did you know that a CV can make or break your job application? It's your first impression, and a strong one can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. For students, a well-structured CV is crucial. It highlights your skills and experiences, setting you apart in a competitive job market. Let's explore how to craft one that stands out. Explore various CV templates: creative, professional, modern, and simple. Each serves a unique purpose, enhancing your CV's readability and appeal. Selecting the right template aligns your CV with your career goals. A professional template might suit a corporate job, while a creative one could be perfect for artistic roles. Craft a compelling personal statement that highlights your strengths. Tailor it to specific job descriptions to make a lasting impression. A well-written personal profile can significantly impact your CV. It showcases your unique qualities and sets the tone for the rest of your application. Identify and showcase your top skills, both hard and soft. Use action verbs to describe your achievements, making them more impactful. Present part-time, volunteer, or internship experiences effectively. These experiences demonstrate your ability to apply skills in real-world scenarios. Structure your education section for maximum impact. Include relevant courses and achievements that align with your career goals. Optional sections like certifications and hobbies can enhance your CV. Use keywords to make your CV ATS-friendly, increasing your chances of getting noticed. Proofread your CV to eliminate typos and errors. Avoid common pitfalls like outdated information or unprofessional email addresses. A visually appealing CV can make a strong first impression, capturing the recruiter's attention instantly. With CV Maker, you'll find expertly designed templates to help you stand out effortlessly. Explore your options. Link in the description. Good luck!